Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the trade setups I had this week and how they played out. Which trade we caught, which trade we missed, which trade we just avoided in general. So without talking too much, let me go into the charts and explain my setups. So for AUDNZD, initially at the beginning of the week, we were waiting for the market to give us something like this at this point on the 30 minutes time frame. We're waiting for the market to give us a push up, then come under, breaking this previous market low, then give us a retest for me to take the trade to the downside. And as you can see, the market did exactly that. And I got my entry signal on the 2 hour time frame, which is the engulfing, which you can see here. And I took the trade, but the market decided to consolidate on us, so we were caught in this consolidation here. The market consolidated for some days, even went to the point that it was almost at our stop loss, and I announced to my Telegram channel that, oh guys, we're close to stop loss, so just leave the market, let the market do what it wants to do, just watch it. And the market then came down. I had this level here that if the market breaks below this level, I'll keep holding, and the market broke it with a very strong bearish candle. After that, we saw this push up to this upside, and the market remained there until the market closed. So that's what we had for ADNZD. It was a very beautiful setup, a setup that would take me a million times if I see it. But unfortunately, it was not just the trade that would put us in our take profit. The next pair that we have is GBP card. On GBP card, we had a missed trade, I think because I was busy with some work. On the 4 hour time frame, the market was at this point earlier this week. It was at this point. So I was waiting for the market to give us a break above this structure point here because this was the previous high. So I was waiting for the market to break above here, give us a retest for us to then take the trade to the downside. And the market did exactly that. But I missed this trade on the, let's see, on the 1 hour time frame. Let me go down to the 1 hour. You can see the market broke above, closing above this our previous point, giving us a retest and our engulfing candle entry signal. And this trade would have been a very beautiful trade, but unfortunately we were not in the market when we got our entry signal. The next pair that we have is Euro USD. On Euro USD, we're expecting the market to give us a retracement into this our area of interest for us to then look for our entry signal to take the trade to the upside. The next pair, which is USD card also, we were waiting for the market to give us a retracement into our area of interest before we take the trade to the downside, but we never got that. On USD JPY, the same thing, we're waiting for the market to give us a push up into this our area of interest for us to then take the trade to the downside. But we never got that. The market never gave us that. So for this first pair, we're caught in a consolidation, closing our trade at break even. The second pair, which is GBP card, was a missed trade. Unfortunately for us, it was a missed trade, but nevertheless, there will be more setups like this in the future. So we don't beat ourselves up for missing a setup or things like that. Earlier, earlier this week, I was sharing on my Twitter page that I noticed that most traders are scared of drawdowns. Like when you're in drawdown, there's just this, your emotions just get all over the place. You start asking yourself, um, ah, is this trade valid? Did this trade meet my requirements? Is this trade? Ask yourself all sorts of questions, which puts you at a disadvantage in the market because that's when you start making, sorry, that's when you start making impulsive decisions like to close early, to exit, to add more positions, things like that. So my suggestion to every new trader is that when you have a setup and you have your entry signal, put an alarm at a point where you know that this will be your stop loss, then put an alarm at your closest take profit so that you don't have to always look at the chart. You only look at the chart a few times, maybe once or twice a day, let's say maybe during the London Open, during the New York Open, and during the New York close. That's like the best time. Yeah, for me, that's the best time. That's when I look at my charts after taking a trade. Look at, oh, what's the market doing during the London Open? What's the market doing during the New York Open? And how did the markets close for the day? So I look at the daily candlestick to confirm, oh, if I will still be holding this trade in my direction. Basically, just learning how to manage your trades. And um, as you know, I'm going to be always dropping my Telegram channel in the comment section if you want to join. I post every week. I post weekly setups and I post the the trade updates. I post the before I take the trade, the during the trade, and after the trade for you to always follow me, catch the same trades with me, and we grow basically. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be dropping a weekly analysis video. Um, let's say Sunday. Yeah. So do check it out. Thanks, guys.